Meaning of gneiss.
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 Gneiss. Gneiss is a type of metamorphic rock that has undergone intense heat and pressure over time, causing its original mineral structure to rearrange into distinct bands or stripes. These bands can be visible to the naked eye and are often made up of minerals such as biotite, quartz, and feldspar. The word gneiss comes from a German word meaning sparkling, which refers to the way light reflects off the alternating bands of minerals. Gneiss can be found in various locations around the world and is often used as a decorative stone in construction or as a source of valuable minerals.